Good. A few more seconds and perfect execution. Oh, wow. Yeah, boom. Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make large profits with low risk. All you have to do is watch the couple of minutes coming up in this video. Let's get to it, guys. All right, I'm in the pocket option broker terminal. Let's go ahead and add our indicators right away. We'll be trading using CCI and Bollinger Bands. For the Bollinger Bands, we'll adjust the period to 10 to remove unnecessary background and set the bands to white, though you can choose a different color if you prefer. Perfect, all set. Now let's work with the CCI. To improve signal accuracy, we'll reduce the period to 15. Everything else will leave unchanged. Okay, now let's break down the core of the strategy. We'll monitor the CCI and look for the situations where the lines break outside the channel. These are key moments as they almost always predict a price reversal. Just observe what happens to the chart when the CCI re-enters the channel. You see a clear pattern here. This is what traders call overbought and oversold conditions. The principle is straightforward. When an asset moves too far in one direction, it irreversibly moves, it reverses. Now let's examine the signals from Bollinger Bands. Primarily, we're interested in reversal movements when the price bounces off the channel boundaries. That almost always leads to change in price direction. The second signal entry is the breakout of the center line. When the asset crosses it, the price typically continues moving in the same direction. We analyze breakouts and pullbacks that occur consecutively to predict price movements. At the same time, we combine this analysis with signal readings, CCI readings. If these indicators continue to provide confirming signals, we enter the market. That is the entire strategy. Now it's time to test it in live trading. My risk per trade is $1,000, yes, which is nearly 50% of my account balance. Remember, beginners, please use 2 to 3% of your deposits. Otherwise, you blow through your money quickly. Now I'll switch to the chart and we'll begin trading. Okay, I'm immediately opening a short position. Let me show you what the indicators are telling us. The CCI has exited the overbought zone. At the same time, the price has rejected the upper Bollinger Bands for the second time. Despite the overall uptrend, we're far from the trend line, so there's room for a downside move. Okay, now we have about 40 seconds until expiration, which will decide the trade's outcome. While we wait, I should mention that my current trading style is quite high risk. I have only one chance to make a mistake. If the trade closes at a loss, there will be more than one attempt with approximately the same amount. When you start trading out, you should only risk small percentage to maximize the number of your attempts. Having 1, 2, 3, even 10 reserves in trade is key. The crucial thing here is avoiding account bloat. You don't want to spend everything. Good, excellent. Our first profit of the day. As you can see, $900 already added to the balance. Now we can switch assets and continue. Okay, here, while going long, let's analyze the setup. The asset just emerged from an oversold territory. Time for an upward move. Whoa, and there's a clean bounce of the channel's lower boundary here. With all signals aligned, we are entering the market. Plus, we've got a breakout above this key level here. Additional confirmation of upward momentum. Now we wait for expiration, guys. Immediately saw a strong bullish momentum. The asset has already surged past the middle of the Bollinger Bands. Wow, this is solid confirmation. No need to worry about this trade. There's a chance I might re-enter here, but we'll need to wait for the next candle to confirm. And here it is. No, we're already pulling back. I'm in a profitable position here, so I'm not too concerned, but this will definitely be my last trade on this asset for today. A few more seconds and perfect execution. That was closed in. Now the indicators are giving us mixed signals, so we're going to be switching the charts here. Now this is a chart worth trading. Entering a short at the perfect moment. We're seeing a rejection from the channel's upper boundary combined with a midline crossover and downward breakout. The asset was previously overbought and has now dipped into oversold territory. As long as the CCI hasn't turned upward, short positions remain viable. The strategy delivers exceptional results when mastered completely. But it's not the only one worthy of your attention. Yeah, and for those who are looking for more, you can check my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. You can get more out of that channel than here. I analyze high probability strategies and I share exclusive trade signals on my Telegram channel. Just join and you'll know what I'm talking about. The success rate for this trade is high enough to risk. Like, I can justify risking $10 or even $1,000. So if you're a beginner in need of practical experience, you can go ahead and subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'll be waiting for you. Oh wow, I'm back in profit again, guys. Over $2,000 has been made. Wow. I'm initiating one more position to compound today's success, and let's execute. I'm entering another short now. This indicator has confirmed the setup, and we can have clear downside potential to this key support level. Now we await expiration. Guys, I want to share something important with you in this video. You see how trading can look easy and profitable? But your first steps might be a little bit different from this, of course. Truth is, almost every beginner faces losses at the start of trading. That's why I keep telling you, manage your risks. When you trade small, you won't lose as much and it won't hurt. You can think of it like payments for trading, like a subscription fee for trading. So it's like you don't feel as bad when you lose little money. If you make a mistake, you can go again and you won't repeat it again since you're using the little money. That's why it's good to start small. That's why you shouldn't copy me. I'm risking 50% of my accounts, guys. And okay, here, boom. We have another winning trade, guys. So this profit is almost 3 times bigger than my risk per trade. That is a great result to finish my day with, guys. So that's what big money trading looks like. All you require is risk and financial capability. So when you have all this together, you can trade like me. But for beginners, you don't have to rush. You can take it very easy. So I've shown you guys a great strategy to start your journey very well. And everybody that watched this video, I appreciate your comments, your likes, your subscriptions, everything. It's all amazing. I encourage you to keep on doing it and keep good luck in trading, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.